You like that little bunny? Oh. Yay, Austin. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Maybe he's got a little mohawk going on. Just maybe. There's nothing in his hair. I just dried it upwards, and that's what it did. I dried it like going back this way today during our bath, and it just... It's funny. Austin, no, 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 no. No, you don't want the camera, no. You want the bunny. You want the bunny. Let's get the bunny again. Oh, ooh, ooh, wipe out. So excited about that little bunny. You almost there? Yay! Good job, Asti. Great job. There you go. Now say bye-bye. Austin. Bye-bye. He's like, yeah, whatever.